Hello all. So this is a continuation of the previous video only. So in previous video we have made some basics OOPS concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, etc. So in this video we are going to make a description for polymorphism, which is a basic Python thing only. You may know that polymorphism supports inheritance and also method overriding. So by polymorphism, we can create two classes, which is one is parent class, which is also called base class, and next is the child class. It will use the details of the parent class or the base class. So first thing which we are going to define is the parent class. So here the parent class is the bird, and within that we are making a method with by using the definition, and that method is called as make sound, and it is going to return the specific generic bird sound, that is for specific birds the sounds may differ, right? So this is the parent class. Next, we are going to declare the child classes, and the polymorphism can have more than one child. So here, two child classes declared. So one is for bird sparrow and next for bird crow. So within this, we are overriding the method which we are creating in the bird class, that is the parent class. So within the parent class, we are making a definition a method which is make sound. That method is a overrider to return shriek, which is the sound of bird sparrow, and it is going to return caw, which is for the bird crow. So this is if you are using some different birds means you can also change the sounds. You can also add some other child classes also, because parent class may have as much as child classes. It is going to override the methods which we are going to declare in the uh, base class. Next, we are demonstrating polymorphism. For that, we are creating another method which is bird sound, and which is going to print the sound of that bird. So first we are calling sparrow, and next crow, and within the generic bird we are giving bird. So when we are giving this method bird sound, and within the bird we are calling the base class, sorry, child class sparrow, and in that case its sound will print. And when we are calling the bird sound method, and within which we are calling the crow, in that case the crow sound will be printed. And also we are calling a generic bird, that is which is the first parent class we have created. For that it will just give the some specific bird sound, because here we have given that the some specific generic bird sound only. So this is the difference between um, which is base class and parent class. And by using the base class, sorry, base class and child class, so by using the base class we can override the child class. So this is the uh, concept of polymorphism. In the next video we will make some other generic Python code. Thank you.